So, why does inclusive human-centered design matter? We often think about design as something that's visual or functional. So, curious what your thoughts are regarding this? How something looks or how it works, but reality design shapes the way that we experience the world. So, the choices that we make as designers, researchers, academics, that these really impact who feels seen, who feels included, and who might get left behind. So, the reality is that many products, even life critical ones, haven't been designed specifically with women in mind. So, what I'm going to do today is actually frame the people that we're designing for, or thinking about the people that we're designing for as actually as women and using them as our example customers, users. Why I'm using that, women specifically, females as the example, is that products typically haven't been designed with them in mind. Take, for example, crash test dummies. Historically, as you can see on the left here, that they have been modeled after the average male body, meaning cars are statistically less safe for women. The same gaps exist in health tech. I think one thing that was there's always pros and cons about every kind of, stage in our lives, but I say a pro of COVID and the pandemic is that we really have brought to light the gaps that exist in healthcare specific to women. And in my space, the things that I create for that include a lot of wearables. Typically in the past, the wearables don't track health specific needs based on female data. So this is likely something that you have heard or that you're aware of, but I don't want to make any assumptions for people on the call. So sharing this as some key insights and to help frame the things that we're talking about today. So when products are built without considering the full range of users, exclusion does happen. But by using human-centered design and co-creation, we can change this, ensuring that what we create is safe, seamless, intuitive, and relevant to the people that we're designing for. So that is why today's session is so important, because inclusive design isn't just a trend. If you've heard this as an idea, something that people are thinking about, it is a responsibility and an opportunity for us to create products that really work for everyone.